Hey, what's up? It's Ronan from Scratch Made Easy. In this lesson, we're going to cover 16th notes, 8th notes, 8th rests, and quarter notes. If you're not familiar with these terms, check out our previous videos. That way you'll be familiar with what we're about to cover. You'll find a link to the sheet music and everything discussed in this video in the description below. Alright, let's dive into number 1. The tempo is at 85 beats per minute. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. As always, we want to make sure that we're playing in time. Don't be discouraged if you're rushing the rest. With this rhythm, let's concentrate on being as accurate as possible. If you find yourself rushing, slow down the tempo and make sure to count out loud. Alright? Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. With the next rhythm, let's focus on not rushing the rest while trying to play clean and even strokes. We've been doing this for a while, so you know that our strokes need to be clean and evenly spaced apart. We don't want to sound sloppy. We want our sound to be clean and even. Let's count off number 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember that we should be honest with ourselves. Our goal should be playing the rhythms accurately. Mistakes are natural, but we want to eventually play without making mistakes. If you're making a lot of mistakes, slow things down and work on the rhythms until you can play them consistently. Alright, let's move on to the final rhythm. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Thanks for watching. Do us a favor and hit the thumbs up button because it really helps us out. And if you liked the video, be sure to share it with anyone that will find the information helpful. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section below. See you next time. Peace.